Ever wanted to split your C drive into two separate drives, but you're terrified of losing your data? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that without installing any software and without losing a single file. First, hit the Start menu, search for Disk Management, and open it up. Now, right-click on your C drive, or honestly, any other drive you want to split, and click Shrink Volume. In this window, just enter the amount of space you want for your new drive in megabytes. Just a quick heads up. Make sure you leave enough space for your C drive so your Windows can actually breathe. Once you're ready, hit Shrink. Now, you'll see this black unallocated space right here. Right-click on it, choose New Simple Volume, and just click Next. On this first step, you can assign a drive letter. Let's go with E, and hit Next. Then, on the very next screen, you can change the volume label to My Games. Leave everything else as it is, click Next, and finish. And boom, there it is. Your brand new drive is ready, and all your files on drive C are completely safe. But what if you change your mind later and want to merge that space back into your C drive? To do this, Windows requires the adjacent space to be completely empty and unallocated. Consequently, you'll have to delete the second drive entirely to merge it back. So, make absolutely sure to back up all your files inside My Games before moving to the next step. Once you've backed up your data, go back into Disk Management. Now, right-click on the My Games drive and hit Delete Volume. This turns it right back into unallocated space. Finally, right-click your C drive, select Extend Volume, click Next to select all that empty space, and hit Finish. And we're back to normal. They are successfully merged. If this quick trick helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more clean Windows tips. Catch you in the next one.